Hey y'all, hey, it's Joyce from Elite Expressions, and today we are going to attempt to make some holographic resin thinkers. So what I did was I took my old thinkers and I traced them on some holographic paper and cut them out. And then we're gonna put in some light blue resin. For some reason, blue is calling my name. And then we're gonna lay those on top so that hopefully when the light shines through, it'll reflect in different colors. I wanna go really, really light on the alcohol ink because I do want it to be transparent. There's the resin there. Here is the alcohol ink. Let's just shake it, shake it, shake it. Don't know if I've used it. Hope I have. Oh, I have. And we're gonna start with, hopefully it comes out slow. 2 dots, okay. I want it really light. I've also mixed up about 11 ounces of resin. So hopefully that will be enough, okay? So we'll just mix that in there pretty good. And hopefully, just hopefully, this idea will work. We'll see. All right. It's in there. I think I want 1 more drop. There we go. 2. Okay. Let's pray. Hopefully I didn't go too dark. All right. And we're stirring. And my cutting skills were not the best, so hopefully it'll lay on top. And we'll go from there. All right. Looks like it's pretty much in there. I mixed up this resin about 15 minutes ago. Still has micro bubbles, but who cares? Bubbles are bubbles. I'm gonna move these bad boys out of the way so that I can spray the molds with alcohol. And I'm hoping, I don't want those to get alcohol on them because I don't know if whatever those papers are treated with, if it will come off, okay? Let's try to get you centered. Let's spray. So hopefully as the resin is going in, any bubbles will come to the top. We're gonna start at the lowest point first, over here on this side. Okay, yeah, it's really light. And we're gonna go around here and let's get in that little head, okay? I cleaned all the molds out with alcohol before getting started and tried to get off as much of the remnants of the mica powder that I used the last time. Okay. All right, let's let that settle for a while. Let's go back over here. Making these molds is just so nice and relaxing. We're making these little statuettes. This one is the hardest to demold because of those 2 center pieces. All right. Looks like I got way too much resin. Let's get them as close to the top as we can. Let's just give a quick spritz to those two. Well, all three. Oh, looks like it may not have gotten all the way into the feet on that one. Hope so. We don't want them to not have any toes, or her. I'm not sure if it's a girl or a boy thinker. Okay, we'll come back in about 5 minutes, and then we'll put the, we'll lay the, I think it's acetate paper. I don't know. We'll lay the holographic paper on top. Be right back. Okay, I couldn't wait any longer. All right, let's go and see what happens. I'm gonna try to wipe it off on my dress, get any little fingerprints off. Okay, I gotta look outside of the camera for this. Okay. All right, that's one on. Okay, let's put the next one on. Now, I may need to go back to remedial kindergarten cutting school because I didn't do so great, but we're not going to talk about our cutting skills today. We're just going with the concept, and see what happens. All right. I'm going to lay this on top. Now, I don't know if I should pour a little bit of resin on top or what I should do in this situation. I want it to stick. Okay. I need a popsicle stick. Because my cutting was so janky, it's not gonna go down in there, but I do want at least a couple of the edges to be covered. Okay. So some resin is coming up over the top. At least if it's just adhered to the back, I will be happy. Ooh, we may have pressed his little head in a little too far. Okay. Okay. They're in there. This is kind of an experiment. We're just gonna see what happens with this. We don't really know. If I had cut better and they could have fit inside some, then I could put resin on top. But like I said, I need remedial kindergarten cutting class, you know. Okay. We're not going to keep fooling with it. We're going to pray on it. All right, so it's all set up. When it is cured and like tomorrow, I'll be back, or later on tonight, because I know I'm not going to be able to stay away from it. So, yeah, so that's what we'll do. And when it's cured, come back and we'll demold it together. All right, see you in a while. Bye. Hey, y'all. Hey, it's time to demold. So this is the thinker with the holographic foil on the back. Let's take it out and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm at work. Don't tell nobody. I was just too excited. I wanted to hurry up and demold these. So I'm sitting with one of my coworkers, and I set up a little area in the station so I could hurry up and demold. And whew, these little suckers can sometimes be hard to get out of that case, you know. So looks like I'm getting one out, and whoop-hey, it is so pretty. I can see the holographic and everything behind it. And here's the second one. I'm asking my coworker to put the third one in because I couldn't wait last night. I demolded one. So he slid it into frame, and I, just took over. I have the spirit of the takeover. And so now we're trying to just get this last one out. And baby, sometimes it's like giving birth. But look at how pretty they are. I definitely got some cleaning up to do. That's the one where, I don't know if I kept it in the video, but I over poured his head. So here's just a quick close-up before we go outside on my break and take a couple pictures before the sun goes down. Yeah, I love them. Absolutely love them. Here's some outside pics. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, whatever you like to do, and I'll see you soon. Also, I'm going to put a link to my Facebook group in the description box. So make it a great day. Have fun. Enjoy life. Take care, and bye.